Welcome back to my channel, all my lazy beauties. Today's video is sponsored by Beauty Exchange, and I'm super excited to show you this gorgeous wig that they sent your girl. Like, this is from their Butta Lace Sensational collection, and if you're not familiar with Beauty Exchange, they're literally like your go-to online beauty supply store. Like, you know how I was telling y'all I was looking for ways to find my favorite brands online so I didn't have to go in the store, you know, COVID approved and all? Beauty Exchange really has you covered, for real. I'm so excited to be sharing this unit. I'm definitely not braiding down my hair. This is just a photo of the box. A photo. Wow, y'all. Obviously, it's a whole video. But yeah, this is how it looks. I'm wearing the Water Wave 16-inch by Sensationnel. The best part about this lace, y'all, is that it's invisible lace that absorbs light, making it virtually undetectable as it melts into almost all skin tones. And honey, I'm just pulling out the hair, all the little excess packaging and whatnot, and look, girl, they didn't lie. They didn't lie. Like, I was, all right, okay. Yeah, I was sold. Like, had stuff flying everywhere. I didn't even care, y'all. I was ready to throw this wig on. So my first thing, I just wanted to see, is it really just like a grab it out the box and put it on your head wig? And y'all let me know, would you put this on your head and run out the door and just be like, all right, cool? I feel like, no lie, for the right skin tone, you probably could get away with it. I'm not gonna lie. All right, now I wasn't really feeling the baby hairs. You'll see later in this video I actually took them off, but this is me just showing you their HD lace effect. Like, I'm really sold. Even though it's a little ash, you know, I'm a brown skin girl, this is really, really nice for what I would call a premium blend wig. So after I got done playing with the wig, I got down to customizing. I'm just taking my Ebin Tinted Lace Spray. I've been using this for about a month and a half, y'all. I don't really like this spray, so I didn't really show y'all how I use it, but I just added a little bit to the lace just to tone down the ashiness, and it actually did the job perfectly. Like, again, I'm sold. So as you can see, I took off one side of baby hairs just because I wanted to see how it was going to look without them, and I ended up agreeing with that and taking off the other side off camera. But here you'll see me throughout this video just trying to smooth down the hair, because in my mind at first I didn't want this to be that big. Like, I wanted the unit to be curly and defined, but not too big and afro. And so I'm actually going in with a waxing stick, y'all, just to kind of sleek the top part down, and it actually worked. Again, this is not a full, you know, human hair unit, so I didn't want to go in with a hot comb, but honestly you can use minimal heat on this unit. I just chose not to, so I'm smoothing in that wax stick with a brush. And then I was like, yo, I ain't gonna lie, at first I didn't like it. I didn't like how this is going. I'm going in with my Ebin spray just to seal everything down. I love sealing down my synthetic units. It kind of makes me feel like, you know, I got a fresh install. Speaking of which, the girls are now getting their synthetic wigs installed at the salon. Like, I think that is so nice. Like, I definitely would do it. Like, who got time to be spending bundles? The way we switch up our hair today, like, y'all might as well get a synthetic wig. And if you're thinking about trying one, definitely check out Beauty Exchange. But I feel like it was at this point, y'all, where I was like, nah, I want my hair to be big. So I started trimming it. I didn't really go in with layers. I wanted it to be short. And after I cut it a little bit more, I put it back on my head just to show you guys what I was rocking with. But I spent about 30 minutes in the bathroom, y'all, taking selfies, doing TikTok, shaking my wig, fluffing it out, as you can see, distressing the quarrels. And this is what I got. I absolutely loved it at the end. This unit is perfect for the summertime, but honestly, I could wear this hair year round. My baby absolutely loved it. It's giving. Like, she's giving. She's one of the wigs I can wear without makeup. Put on some makeup, girl. What do you think? Comment down below. Love y'all. See you next time.